Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we celebrate the most legendary classic machines ever built. Today, we're taking a journey back to the golden age of American SUVs with a true off-road icon, the 1974 Jeep Cherokee. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic automotive story. The 1974 Jeep Cherokee was more than just an SUV. It was a symbol of rugged freedom, adventure, and American durability. At a time when most vehicles were either family sedans or heavy-duty trucks, Jeep created something unique. The Cherokee combined the comfort of a passenger vehicle with the toughness of a serious off-road machine. Even decades later, this classic SUV still commands respect from collectors and vintage car enthusiasts around the world. When you first look at the 1974 Jeep Cherokee, you immediately notice its bold and muscular appearance. This was not a soft or overly styled SUV. It had a boxy design, sharp lines, and a commanding road presence that made it look unstoppable. The front grille carried Jeep's legendary 7-slot design, while the wide stance and rugged body gave it a powerful personality. Everything about the Cherokee was designed with strength in mind. Back in the 1970s, SUVs were not luxury family vehicles like many are today. They were built for real adventure, hard work, and rough terrain. The Cherokee stood out because it offered both capability and comfort. Drivers could take it deep into the mountains, across muddy trails, or on long highway journeys without hesitation. It was a vehicle built for people who wanted freedom without limits. One of the most exciting features of the 1974 Jeep Cherokee was its engine lineup. Buyers had access to powerful V8 engines that delivered serious performance for the era. The roar of the engine, combined with the vehicle's heavy-duty construction, created an unforgettable driving experience. This SUV had real muscle under the hood, making it perfect for towing, climbing, and conquering difficult terrain. The driving feel of the 1974 Cherokee was raw, mechanical, and authentic. Unlike modern SUVs filled with electronic systems and digital screens, this Jeep connected the driver directly to the road. Every turn of the steering wheel and every press of the accelerator felt meaningful. Enthusiasts today still love classic vehicles like this because they deliver an honest driving experience that modern cars often lack. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Cherokee offered simplicity mixed with practicality. The seats were wide and comfortable, the dashboard was clean and functional, and visibility was excellent. It was designed for durability rather than flashy luxury. Yet there was something incredibly charming about its interior. The classic gauges, vintage steering wheel, and old-school controls created a nostalgic atmosphere that modern SUVs simply cannot recreate. Another reason the 1974 Jeep Cherokee became so popular was its incredible versatility. Families loved it because it had plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Outdoor enthusiasts appreciated its off-road abilities. Farmers, workers, and explorers trusted its reliability. This SUV could handle almost anything life threw at it. Off-road capability was where the Cherokee truly shined. Jeep had already established a legendary reputation for building tough four-wheel drive vehicles, and the Cherokee proudly carried that tradition forward. With its high ground clearance, durable suspension, and available four-wheel drive system, it could confidently tackle dirt roads, rocky trails, snow, and mud. This was an SUV built to go where ordinary vehicles could not. Today, the 1974 Jeep Cherokee has become a highly respected collector's vehicle. Vintage SUV culture has exploded in popularity, and enthusiasts now search for clean original examples of these classic Jeeps. Restored Cherokees often appear at classic car shows, off-road events, and online automotive communities where fans admire their timeless style and rugged character. One thing that makes the 1974 Cherokee so special is its authenticity. It was created during a time when vehicles were built with strong metal bodies, simple mechanics, and lasting durability. There's a certain honesty in classic vehicles from this era. They were made to work hard and survive for decades, and many of them still do exactly that today. Performance. The sound of the engine, the smell of the vintage interior, and the commanding driving position all create an emotional connection that modern vehicles struggle to match. Owning a classic Cherokee is not just about transportation, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history and experiencing the spirit of adventure from a different era. Collectors especially appreciate the rare trims and original paint combinations that some 1974 Cherokee models carried. Whether finished in earthy browns, deep reds, or classic whites, these SUVs had a unique style that perfectly matched the spirit of the 1970s. Chrome details, rugged wheels, and bold badging added even more personality to an already unforgettable design. Even after more than 50 years, the influence of the Jeep Cherokee can still be seen in modern SUVs today. Many manufacturers now build vehicles inspired by the same idea of combining comfort with capability. But for many enthusiasts, nothing compares to the originality and toughness of the classic 1974 model. The 1974 Jeep Cherokee reminds us of a time when driving was about exploration, independence, and adventure. It represents freedom on four wheels. Whether parked at a classic car show or climbing through rough terrain, this legendary SUV continues to impress people everywhere it goes. For classic car lovers, vintage SUV collectors, and Jeep enthusiasts, the 1974 Cherokee remains one of the most iconic American vehicles ever produced. Its timeless design, legendary off-road abilities, and unforgettable personality ensure that its legacy will continue for generations to come. Thank you for watching Auto Luxury Channel. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow classic car fans. Let us know in the comments what your favorite vintage Jeep model is, and stay tuned for more legendary vehicles right here on Auto Luxury Channel.